Good afternoon. My name is Sampath Vikramasinghe. Today I am demonstrate the installation and configuration of Snort Community Edition as a network intrusion detection system on Ubuntu Server. The Ubuntu Server hosts on VMware Workstation and administrated by remotely using PuTTY over SSH from my Windows host machine. First, I will show you how to set up the lab environment. Okay, so let's go and set up our lab environment. Previously, I had downloaded Ubuntu Server 22.00 version, and on this step we have to select our iOS image. So now I will put. Now I am putting Ubuntu Server name. I mean, this is for identification and location path. It means where should that virtual machine install, and let's do. And on this window we have to put how much space we will allocate for our Ubuntu server. I will put as 20 GB because I don't have enough much space. So let me show my hardware specification. As for memories, I had put 4 GB and two as a processor I put 2 cores and using network, and that's all. So let's close this window and finish configuration of the Ubuntu server, and let's give some time to boot up. This boot up session will take some times, and it will depend on their own machines, I mean own environment. Okay, these are common. No, keep this, and those all are common. And we have to confirm our configuration. Okay, let's queue make our user profile. I am using as my username and server name. We are putting, sorry, and username for that account we will put what call admin. Oh, sorry, we cannot put admin, so we will put admin1 and password. And let's wait some times to fully complete our lab configuration. Previously we done hardware configuration and other stuff, so now we are configured how much we give our hard disk and how our server communicate, what is the, I mean, network or net or like that. So just wait some time. Okay. So now after sometimes we'll auto reboot. Then after we can log into our server machine. RAM processors like that. Okay, just log into our Ubuntu server. Okay, now it's done. Let's update our Ubuntu server. Okay, now it's it's updating. This task maybe take few minutes or a few seconds. It's depend on your network connection. Internet connection. Mm, For my convenience, I will I will config SSH because we cannot copy paste on that CLI CLI OS. No, so I will put I will configure SSH also, but before that I will configure. I need to run a command called sudo apt. Sorry, I cannot remember that. So I am in that scene. I am just checking. Maybe if config. Okay, and this is the command. It says sudo apt install. This if we install this net tools, that's very convenient because when we use if config, we want to install this what called net tools,
and it's, I think it's, yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's almost done. Just give it some time. Uh, okay, now it's done. I will show if you if config. So, see, now it has if configuration also. So my new Ubuntu server IP was 192.168.12.136. Okay, then shall we config our SSH server? So I am using the code command called sudo apt install and put after the command, if you don't to say yes and that, just put dash y. So our SSH has config. So let's check status. I mean status of Ubuntu SSH. Yeah, our SSH configuration now running is good. So now I am using. I want to check my IP address. So okay, I got that. On my Windows machine, I am using Solar PuTTY. It same features, but it's very nice and convenient to use, easy. So I am using Solar PuTTY. Yeah, I mean it's easy to connect. mm, Easy to manage. Better, not like PuTTY, normal PuTTY, but this has creating a session and like that, so that's very easy. So IP address was 192.168.12.136. Okay, so username and one password also done. And just put whatever in here. I'm that's just accept. Sorry. Okay, now we got connected to our Ubuntu server. So let me show. See, our Ubuntu server. Mm, okay, let's see. Yeah, see, This is our Ubuntu Server IP address and others. You know, no? Sorry. So, I mean, after we configure our SSH and uh, verify our IP address, connect using we connect PuTTY into our server. Now let's install Snort. Now first I will clear this. Okay. Now shall we check? Do we have Snort? Sorry, we don't have uh, Snort. We see we don't have Snort. So in that case, we have to install them. The system has provided same what that Snort installation command. So just install copy paste or like do. Okay, now it's not till installed. See in here they ask, do you need to continue? If we put -y, then it will automatically boot. This Snort will ask some question. See in here they ask just say okay, because after installation we have to configure our Snort. Previously I had done, sorry, previously I had done what called some documentation. Mm, see in here I put commands also. See, this, I mean this y dash and y, it will automatically says continue. If not, they after some download some packages and they ask, do you need to continue? We, if we put this part, they will automatically skip it and take it as a just continue. So after installation, let's check Snort version. See, Snort version, yeah, 2.9, 15.1. Then after we have to check after installation our Snort, we did check our what called version, and after that let's configure home.not, I mean Snort document. Okay, then we have to configure our Snort. So we need to go, sorry, we need to type sudo nano. Nano is the our text editing tool slash etc slash snort and no dot conf. This is the snort configuration package. We have to put our IP in here. IPv4, yeah. Just comment these. and the IPv4 home underscore net, and our IP range 192.168.12.0 and /24, because we have last 255 and 255 and 255.0, then that's 24 network. And let's exit control X, say okay. Then after we have to configure our local rules also. But we can do something else also. See, after configuration we have to edit local rule. So I'm just copying, because this is very easy, but if you can type, that's better. Yeah, this is the snort configuration file. In here we have to put our rule, but previously I had document. No, this is this rule will, in this rule, this rule this rule will alert if someone ping to our if someone ping to our server machine or network. Okay, that's right. So just control C and save, exit. So after configuration our what called snort rules, we do need to check no. So in that case, we can for validation we can use this command. Okay, just it will say check all the command and says if it is running successful or see our rule validate and it's done. So after adding the ping rule, let's start our snort. So we need to start our snort command. Snort. So sorry, see, this is the snort. We need to monitor this EN32. No, so we in here this is a configuration file, and sorry, some messages was getting. Okay, let's run our snort was running, but we need to check no. So I will pin to my using my main machine CMD. I will pin to my then Ubuntu server. See, Snort will check. It will detect our ping. See, this is ICMP packet. Sorry, ICMP protocol using protocol. This what called 192.168.12.1 machine was pinged to this server, and this is request and reply, and they all detecting that what call packets. After doing that, we let's yeah, after that ping detection, we need it will generate, it will capture our ICMP packets now. So after that, let's do Nmap, and yeah, let's do Nmap. Before Nmap, also we have to add one rule. Yeah, I haven't put that rule in here, but give me, yeah, I will stop our snort, and let's go to, sorry, yeah, let's go and add that snort command, sorry, I mean rule. Mm, okay, now I had entered type our second rule for when someone scanning our what call server using Nmap or like that, so it will detect. So let's save the file and check it. Okay. And let's run our snort, and just give me some times. Okay, let's scan our network using Nmap. Oh, sorry, I think it will take some time because my memory was, I mean, yeah, see, Nmap was running. So 192.168.12.136. This is our Nmap, sorry, this is our Ubuntu server, and let's, and I am using what call Nmap, not Nmap, Nmap. Yeah, this Nmap. Sorry, I think, yeah, see, Snort will detect our what call Nmap scanning also. See, it will detect ICMP. See, in here it says using some, yeah, it says this machine is what code 192.168.12.1 machine has ping and scan our, sorry, our server using Nmap. So as for the that's all, yeah. Uh, on this scenario, I had used Snort Community Edition, and it will detect. We had detect our ICMP packets, and as for demonstration, we had used what called sorry Nmap also. So conclusion. In my conclusion, I will say in this demonstration, I successfully configured Ubuntu Server for remote administration using SSH and PuTTY, and I installed and configured Snort Community Edition, create custom ICMP detection rule, and I had and also we had I mean we had custom I mean we had rule to capture network scanning also. So it captured our net what call network nmap scan and like that on. So this demonstration implement singular based network in network intrusion detection system using Snort Community Edition. As for uh, resources and guidance,